lasing sa kapangyarihan. Walang balak umalis sa pwesto si PBBM sa 2028 ayon kay VP Sara. At ito raw ang punot dulo ng kanyang impeachment. Ang detalye sa agenda report ni John Manalo.
It is the intent of President Marcos not to step down. He wants to perpetuate himself or his family in power.
Kumbinsido si VP Sara na gusto lang ni PBBM na manatili sa kapangyarihan. Kaya nananatiling politically motivated ang tingin ng bise sa kanyang impeachment. Sa isang panayam sa Russian state-run network na RT News, sinabi ng VP na ginagamit lang ang kanyang impeachment para humina ang kanyang posisyon bilang frontrunner sa 2028 elections.
It is clear from the moves of his administration against political opponents. And in fact, one of his relatives, and this is a personal knowledge of mine, has expressed that he wants to run for president.
Bagamat wala siyang binanggit na pangalan, tila tinutukoy nito ang pinsan ng Pangulo na si House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Dagdag pa ng bise, may bayaran daw na naganap sa Kamara para itulak ang kanyang impeachment.
One particular member of the House of Representatives already said publicly that there was money in exchange for the signatures in the articles of impeachment. Because I am the front runner in the presidential race in 2028, the survey shows that, and I think they want to eliminate the front runner.
Agad naman itong itinanggi ng mga mambabatas.
I strongly denouncing statement na binayaran eh. Yung mga salitang ganyan, it's trying to, evade the real issue. The issue is there's an impeachment complaint filed by a Filipino citizen. Dinala sa Kongreso. We have to act upon it as a constitutional mandated duty by Congress.
Giit ni Manila Congressman Ernest Junicio, hindi rin daw political stunt ang impeachment. Bagay na sinang-ayunan ni Lanao del Sur 1st District Representative Zia Alonto Andiong.
The reason why we are holding these high officials accountable to their actions because we do not want also the culture of impunity to be the dominant rule of the day.
Buineltahan din ng Malacanang ang alegasyon ng bise laban sa Pangulo.
Siguro yan po ang nais niya maging naratibo, ipakita sa taong bayan, pero nawawala po yung issue patungkol sa kanyang accountability tungkol sa confidential funds at iba't iba pang mga complaints na napapaloob sa articles of impeachment.
Pero bukod sa impeachment, patunay din ayon sa VP ang pag-aresto sa kanyang ama na si FPRRD ng patuloy na pagsira sa kanyang pamilya.
They think that if they take out former President Duterte, they will weaken me because it's one brand, it's one family.
Sa ngayon, wala pa raw plano si VP Sara kaugnay sa kanyang pagtakbo ngayon 2028. Pero ang kanyang desisyon, maaari raw asahan sa fourth quarter ng 2026. Para sa agenda, Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.